Welcome back everyone to another episode of Cooking with JJ. In this week's episode, I'm going to be making a very popular dish that you can find at Planta. It is Bang Bang Broccoli. It's going to be my own personal version. If you like your spice and you like your peanuts, this one is for you. So without further ado, let's head over to the kitchen and get cooking! First of all, I'm starting with our sauce. You got our peanut butter, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sesame oil, sriracha, and raw sugar. I'm adding a half a cup of peanut butter to this bowl. Add a quarter cup of soy sauce, 3 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and 1 tablespoon of raw sugar. I'm mixing it with a fork to start because the peanut butter is hard to break up. And I'm adding a quarter cup of water. Once things became easier to mix, I switched over to the whisk. Here's our beautiful peanut sauce. I'm going to use 1 whole head of broccoli. I'll be using a 3/4 cup's worth of all-purpose flour and a half a cup of potato starch. I'm using 1 tablespoon of marin and 6 tablespoons of just egg. I'll be using 2 teaspoons of garlic powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. I'm also using 1 cup of carbonated water, which will help us get that light, fluffy, crispy batter. Mix all your dry ingredients together. I'm adding a couple of pinches of salt. Now we'll mix in all of our wet ingredients. I'm adding an additional 1/4 cup's worth of potato starch. And a 1/4 cup's worth of flour. Whisk it all up and see if you need to add a little bit at a time. While we were prepping our batter, our oil was heating up. We're just going to give it a little test with the batter. Mix your broccoli florets into the batter, making sure they're thoroughly coated. Using a metal utensil, drop them in one at a time. Try to space them out. Of
course, you can allow the batter to drip off the florets before adding them. If not, you'll just get those little floaty pieces, and that's completely fine. Once they're golden brown, scoop them out with a metal utensil, such as this one. Be sure to have a plate ready with some paper towel. Slice up some green onion, this will be for the garnish. And chop up some peanuts. Although we have our peanut sauce, this will provide a nice texture. Now it's plating time. I'm drizzling on some of the sauce, and we'll have some on the side as well. Add some chili flakes on top, and our green onion. Sprinkle on your chopped peanuts. Add a dish of your sauce on the side.
It's that time again, everyone. I get to try our delicious Bang Bang broccoli. Inspired by Planta, but my own personal recipe. Drizzled some of the sauce on, and we can do a little extra dip for sauce lovers. Here it goes. Absolutely wonderful. We have the perfect balance of sweetness, a little saltiness, some spice in the mix. It's not too spicy, in my opinion. So feel free to adjust the spice to your liking. I'm absolutely satisfied with the way this dish turned out. Feel free to pair this with salad, some cooked veggies, a tofu dish, whatever you like. If you do make this recipe, drop me a line down below. I'm interested to hear from you and see how it turned out. I really love how the batter turned out. It was not too hard, not too soft. It was crispy, fluffy, and delicious. We got a beautiful flavor going on with the batter and with the sauce in combination with the peanuts, a little bit of spice, some saltiness, some sweetness as well. And you got the sauce to go on the side if you really love the sauce. And remember, if you like this video in any way, shape, or form, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. There'll be a new video popping up every Monday at 12 noon Eastern, so you don't want to miss it. Until next time, this is JJ signing off, keeping things interesting in my kitchen and in yours. Bon appetit.